Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me again, Umar Farooq Sumro, subject teacher of English OPE Class 5, and I welcome you in our first lecture of lesson number 4, unit number 1. Dear students, as you read 3 lessons almost in previous chapter, in previous lectures, now we are heading towards lesson number 4 of unit number 1. So first of all, we have been given a statement in the start of this chapter or lesson. Here it is. Look and say. Number 1, look and say. Talk about the people in the pictures. Okay, look and say, talk about the people in the pictures. That defines that we have to watch out the picture first carefully, that we have to watch out each picture carefully, then we have to tell about the pictures, then what does it describe. Okay, so dear students, we have been given an example also to define this activity. First of all, it is he has gone sailing. Okay, dear students, in our first lecture I told you the structure, or we read about the tense present perfect, in which helping verbs have been used, has and have, and third form of action verb or main verb will be used, or past participle. Third form of main verb is also called past participle form of verb. So here you can see the sentence has a helping verb has and third form or past participle form of a verb. He has gone sailing. So this sentence clearly defines that first sentence is in present perfect tense, and number 2, she has been buying fruit. The signs of present perfect continuous are clearly shown in second sentence because of helping verbs are have been and has been in present perfect continuous tense, and fourth form or ing form of main verb will be used. As you are watching it on your screen, that first sentence is in present perfect tense and the second one is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, are you watching it clearly? Okay, so first of all, students, we have been given an example of first two pictures. We have been giving first two statements of the pictures of this book, page number 6, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is the example of picture number 1 and number 2 is the example of picture number 2, which clearly means that we must start our exercise from picture number 3. As you are watching, a girl is standing near a bookstall or CD room. So, what would you guess or make the sentence about? You would say that the girl has shopped a book. The girl has shopped a book means लड़की ने किताब खरीद किया है. So, it is in present perfect tense. The girl has shopped a book. Number 3 or number 2, eat an ice cream. As we have been given the hints of this exercise, what are you watching in this picture as I am showing it on the screen? What are you watching? It is a boy who is eating an ice cream. So we will say he has been eating an ice cream because he has been eating. He has not completed eating. If it has done something, so it will be called present perfect, but a work that was started some time ago and is still continue, that can be called in present perfect continuous. That clearly means the picture number 4 is in present perfect continuous tense. He has been eating an ice cream. Number 4, so what are you watching on your screen? It is that a person has gone diving, or the sentence will be in present perfect tense. He has gone diving. Dive means to swim in water, underwater. Okay, dive means to swim underwater. So he has gone diving. And number 6, picture number 6, a dad dash paint the door. As you are watching, the dad has completed the paint of the door. So it will be in present perfect tense that dad has painted the door. Picture number 6, present perfect tense, dad has painted the door. Okay. Picture number 7, the hint is make popcorn. So as you are watching, the lady or the girl is making, so it will be she has been making popcorns. Okay, she has been making popcorns. Number 8, fly. Number 8 is you are watching on your screen. Picture number 8, fly. It means there are two persons in the picture, so it will not be called he and she, it will start from they. So they have been flying an aeroplane, okay, or an aircraft. They have been flying an aeroplane or an aircraft. Play football. If students, you can see the clear picture, you must be able to know the meaning of the sentence about the picture. What does it show us? Play football. So as you see, both of the boys are sitting on the bench or talking to themselves. That clearly defines that the boys have played football. Okay, that is in present perfect tense. The boys have played football. And number 10, picture number 10, as you are watching on your screen, a boy and a girl are riding on the horse. So we will say that they have been riding horses. We will say they have been riding horses. Picture number 11, can you see, students? Balloon. Many people are in the balloon, so we can say they have been traveling by balloon. In present perfect continuous tense, they have been traveling by balloon. Number 12, play hockey. As you are watching the picture, that the boys or two brothers are coming back to their home. This is the doorstep of their house. So it means they have played hockey. So the sentence will be in present perfect tense. They have played hockey. Okay, clear? So dear students, these were pictures that we had to define, that either the pictures show us the sense of present perfect tense, or does it give a sense of present perfect continuous sentence. As we described it totally, now we must step forward. If you do not understand something in these pictures, you must rewind this video and see it from the top. Dear students, now step forward to our next activity. Number 2, listen and put the pictures in order. Okay, listen and put the pictures in order. So what you have to do, you have to read exercise number 3. Then you have to name the pictures with its sentence from exercise 3. You have to watch out pictures in exercise 2 and give it a suitable name from exercise 3. Listen again and circle the correct word or phrase. Okay, if we put pictures in correct order, we must place first of all picture number D, then picture number C, then B and A, because here is a boy who watched a bear coming towards him from the mountains. Then the boy ran from the mountains hurriedly, and now he was crossing on a log, a river. He was crossing a river on a log. Then finally he got a train and he traveled by it. Okay, so picture number D, C, B and A will be placed D, C, B and A in this order. Do you understand the meaning? Okay, so dear students, now Listen again and circle the correct word or phrase. Number 1, are you watching it? Dear students, are you getting my point? Good. I went on or for an expedition. As we read in our second lecture, I went for or on an expedition. I went on an expedition. So, correct answer is on, not for. Correct answer is I went on an expedition. Number 2, I started walking over or around the hill. We always walk over the hill, not round the hill. Okay, so the answer will be I started walking over the hill. Then now number 3, number 4 and number 5 is your homework. Dear students, you have to read statement number 3, 4 and 5 and choose the correct answer from the statement. Dear students, this is your homework, so kindly revise, and if you do not understand the lecture of the end or the meaning of the pictures, you can rewind this video and watch it clearly from the top. Dear students, today our lecture is going to end. We will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.